Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. Running Python in Visual Studio Code, VS Code, is a straightforward process. Here's a step-by-step tutorial to help you set up and run Python code in VS Code. Step 1. Install Visual Studio Code. 1. Download and install VS Code. Go to the Visual Studio Code website, https://code.visualstudio.com. Download the installer for your operating system, Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. Run the installer and follow the prompts to complete the installation. Step 2. Install Python. 1. Download and install Python. Go to the Python website, https://www.python.org/downloads. Download the latest version of Python. Run the installer and ensure you check the box that says Add Python to Path. Follow the prompts to complete the installation. 2. Verify Python installation. Open a terminal/command prompt. Run the command. You should see the installed version of Python. Step 3. Install the Python extension for VS Code. 1. Open VS Code. 2. Access the extensions view. Click on the extensions icon in the activity bar on the side of the window, or press Ctrl+Shift+X. 3. Search for Python. In the extensions view, type Python. 4. Install the Python extension. Find the Python extension published by Microsoft and click Install. Step 4. Configure VS Code for Python. 1. Open a new folder or create a new file. Open a folder where you want to store your Python projects or create a new file with a .py extension, example hello.py. 2. Select the Python interpreter. Press Ctrl+Shift+P to open the command palette. Type Python, select interpreter and select it. Choose the Python interpreter you installed, it should show the version number. Step 5. Write your first Python code. 1. Create a new Python file. Create a new file named hello.py in the folder you opened. 2. Write Python code. Open hello.py and write the following code. Step 6. Run your Python code. 1. Open the terminal. Go to View Terminal or press Ctrl+ to open the integrated terminal. 2. Run your Python script. In the terminal, type the following command and press Enter. 3. Input your name. When prompted, enter your name, example Alice, and press Enter. You should see the output. Step 7. Debugging your Python code, optional. 1. Set breakpoints. Click in the left margin next to the line numbers in your Python file to set breakpoints. 2. Start debugging. Press F5 or go to Run Start Debugging. Follow the prompts to configure the debugger if needed. 3. Use debugging tools. Use the debug panel to step through your code, inspect variables, and analyze the flow of execution. Additional tips. Linting and formatting. The Python extension includes linting and formatting tools. You can configure these settings in your settings.json file. Virtual environments. For larger projects, consider using virtual environments to manage dependencies. You can set one up using. Activate it using Windows, mynv \scripts \activate. Mac OS/Linux, source mynv/bin/activate. Extensions. Explore other useful extensions like Jupyter for data science, or Pylons for improved IntelliSense. Conclusion. You've successfully set up Python in Visual Studio Code. You can now create, run, and debug Python applications easily. As you become more comfortable, Explore more features of VS Code to enhance your workflow. Happy coding!